One.
We are the Rockin' Fishing Boys, and today we come on the north coast to go some fish to do some fishing. We come down to spend the night here, and we go see how it is. So we have a few people to shout out. Tariq and Uncle they couldn't come because they eat tomorrow and they'll celebrate that.
And they let's clean all the fish for we when we go down. So he are coming this time.
That was the key now, man.
Yeah. Look, Fat Boy wanna shout out. Yeah,
Shout
Fat
out
Boy
Rahul
every.
and the father Ricky from Charlieville
Alright,
and
Fat Boy.
Cheshire.
And Trisha, right. And who again all that shout out? Auntie Barbara.
Auntie Barbara, Auntie Trisha.
And Harry and Plateau they're catching no fish right now, so they asked we to be on a mission to catch some fish and carry for them. They right now they're under some pressure with the fishing. Like nothing. Yeah. And who again all that shout out? Anybody else? Oh, and Harry Ramrupi sister asked us to wish him happy birthday. Anybody else again?
And she named Harry the AK small fish boss.
Yeah, Harry the small fish boss, yeah. He are catching nothing right now. Yeah, alright, so we'll let you know when we reach down and we set up, we do a little video with setting up the camp and then the fishing. So these they can't stop here. These bags, we have a cooler, a bag, we tarpaulin, market stuff, bait. Everybody have a bag on their back. I know come into the thing, the spider. I have a big spider on the track. Just not a big spider on the track here.
So you're not killing it.
Yeah, we just move it so we could pass. A real big spider. Yeah, real big. Just move it for we to pass and then we're going along. Yeah, so we now reach down the spot. And as usual, people leave it nasty. Real nasty. Plastic bottle. Yeah. Carbonized all over the place. Nasty. Can't not reach down. Yeah boy. Let's see what below here. Let's can't handle. Any spot to come? Watch. We had to clean it up before we start the camp. The condition of the rock. Yeah, so this is. So what we had to do is had to clean up all this mess here. A turtle, look, let's spot a turtle. So we take out, how long we take to reach down?
An hour.
Hour. Yeah, first mission complete. You see that turtle?
Daddy, it was right in you tiny waves, you know.
Yeah.
Looking now some.
Yeah. So we got next mission too is to set up the camp. Water banging right now. So mission 2 is to set up camp.
That big one, shallow. Look two.
Where?
Look at the shallow right there.
Somebody by the waterfall they're going back out there.
Not by the rock,
One.
So we now reach down, we are trying to set up camp. We came down to ask the wheels on the ground, so we just clean it up and you know, setting up the
And this is the tarpaulin here.
rainfall.
There's some wood here from the last time whoever come. We have Fat Cal here and we have Fat Boy tying it up there. So first thing is to set up camp. Right, Cal?
Yeah.
And then we might burn all of this rubbish here. So we are Nathan and Cal knows to pop the hammock now. Yeah, Fat Boy putting up a hammock too. And then we'll pull it on this tree over here. And we're going to see already finished the product. Yeah, we have straps. Now the hammock for tonight. So we sleeping in luxury tonight, eh, Carl? When it's done. Yeah. So bring our pump, you pump our foot. You pumping it just with your foot. Nathan pumping it up. And a nice mattress. Who's sleeping here? Who's sleeping here with me?
I go in.
Oh, Kyle, how do you say you have the hammock? Well, I need to go sleep in this.
Well, we'll see. This is Uncle Fat Boy.
Yeah.
Man, go a little bit more. Okay, wait then. See that?
Go a little bit more again. It can't go no more again? Alright. Yeah, turn it, Nathan. Turn it, yeah, because the head up there, the head. Put the head on top.
Oh.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Get it on. Get it up. Right here. Right here.
Oh, get the
Yeah.
hang of one, that's all.
I can try it.
Yeah, try it and see.
But it's tiny hole.
It's up to all you how you want to sleep on it. I got a picture with all you. So, Nathan and Kyle going to catch some live bait before we go and fish a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. They say they just catch one fish. They keep going through. Alrighty. Alright, so I'll let them know what they catch.
I put it harder.
Alright, Kyle said you have a nice fish.
Put it harder than the no.
Let me see what you have. Oh, a nice red boy. I tell you, stay here and fish.
Nobody think
Want something for the broth?
the Kabali will be like that.
Oh. We'll go for the cavalry after. Then we'll be passing.
He blew my bits.
Good job, good job. Get out of here, Bongse.
The and the barbarian weapon.
And we are Nathan, now gauging up. And we have fat boy here.
Hey, it's a nice one too, you know.
Yeah, nice reds.
I'm catching all of them with barbarian.
At least we got something for the broth. So we're going to let them know if they catch anything again. So our Kyle casting out here. You see something in the bait. Let me see. Yeah, again, no hits yet. Oh, and he's stick. Oh, he nearly stick. Nearly stick. And you can say yeah something. It pulling?
a big lobster.
Is that branch?
Nice.
Is that branch is pulling? Huh?
That's a big view.
It took up to is that now it wasn't the branch?
Yeah, it was right.
Or was that branch?
That's a big view. What's
Yeah.
that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Fat boy say yeah something here. Kyle by the light day fishing. And Fat boy say bring enough fish here. Hey boy! A nice up boy! Ah boy! Nice up boy, they're now coming back. Right, Fat boy now make a show here. Let me see if we catch anything.
Yeah, squid boy.
Squid boy! Squid boy! Where's see squid?
Look at how much squid. Big squid.
Some big
I
squid.
fry squid tonight.
You go fry some squid tonight. How much you get?
Poultry. Hey boy.
Yeah, boy. Oh. Yeah, he ain't had no team.
Somebody else get the bucket black. You go change the water.
Hello, gonna get a hand.
We have fresh squid for them in the morning.
In the morning, that's the cup.
We go fry that tonight, boy.
You see how big that
Well,
Look how big, look how big it is. Yeah, bring some more.
Oh, that will be all the thing of the water.
Yeah, I don't think.
How much too?
Some big ones, boy, Fat boy. Nice strokes.
And they look small.
They look
Size of them squid.
Tree. Then we get. And see that this is a big one. Wow.
Hold them up there, hold them up.
Take a can. Can I take it? He might tell me.
A nice squid.
I can karate chop him.
Nah, leave him.
We go fry them later.
I
Fry
can karate
squid.
chop
You
him.
want them fresh?
Daddy, I can.
No.
Alright.
No.
Alright.
Hell, gosh.
Right, so we catch, Fat boy now trying to catch a school of bait here.
Daddy,
With the comedy light, so Kyle and Fat boy, everybody got to throw out now.
actually right now,
Yeah.
I'm hot back.
Everybody got to throw. Let's get something now, eh? So the boys and them excited. They're throwing out now. Let's see if we catch anything. Alright. Bucket full, the net full. All over her bait now. So hopefully they catch something now. Normally breeze blowing real hard. But G bucket now, boy. Let me see if we can catch something with this.
Tap plenty, think that too strong.
So updates, we caught Uncle Pat by caught a nice
Sub.
what you call sub and
Big lippy get away from him.
a big lippy. I caught a red fish and plenty small gun, but we use them for bait.
So we're going-
gonna catch some crab.
Yeah, so we go show how we just catch the crab.
We also got a lot of bait too.
Yeah.
And squid and stuff.
So the crab let's be on the wall and Kyle let's grab them with his hand.
Hey, oh no, no. Hey,
Alright. Here one here.
Mark.
Put them by it. Right, one so far.
Wait, big one.
Big one.
Oh, God.
Right.
Ay, no.
Oi. Yeah. Right, nice.
He fish, man.
Catch him with the hand.
Ow.
Right?
Ay.
Alright.
Those ones are huge. Oh,
Press him down, press him. Right.
ay.
Okay, break out the gun one time.
I cannot.
Right. Let's bite that too.
Ow.
Right? One, look one big one running there.
Oh,
I go grab him quick. Right.
okay.
Awesome.
Yes. Yeah, the agony.
He's soft crab.
Oh, I go. I'll go too.
And?
Nah. He's soft. I'm going to bad.
No, they're good. Fishes get him. Right. So you go there, see how much we catch just now. So, with this kid we catch, grind it. You need to ride on the camp, you are carried right here on the foot.
Take one out of bowl.
So the calamari frying, and Nathan and Cal now taking out making sandwich. Can't get better than that. Take a bite, Cal, and tell me how it tastes. Isn't good? You're sleepy? He's sleepy. What is it, Nathan?
Tentacles, a piece of nice chips.
This night chips? So there's the squid we catch, we frying it right now. What just fish now, boy? What just fish, fat boy? Now pull up there. I'm massively pee. What just fish now, boy? Oh God! Yeah, watch.
First time I catch out though.
No, come up here. No, pull up. No, pull up on the line. A lippy, a rantikai, and a zelon. Watch how we doing it today.
Have to be more than take catch out.
Where's the short crab?
Yeah, after I take half of the crab, it makes up.
Oh shit. You really say you're going to catch a zelon, you know?
What else?
Nah. Hey, them men are bring a big cooler, boy. Oh God, look at that fish now, boy. What's the size of that fish here? What's the size? What's the size? It ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. Oh God. Oh God. Watch fish, lippy. Zelon. Grantikai. On the rock. Now the rocking fish and we are presenting them because they're sleeping. Oh God. Nah, boy. Nah. Nah, boy. Nah.
You are doing this with you.
I don't know where we go put all that fish. I don't know. Yeah, we walk washing right now. Oh God, we go put all this fish. Gotta get the fit in the cooler.
Put that in water or something.
I know, boy. That fish we are now. We are now to the all the fish right now. And the cooler full. Oh gosh, look at fish. Yeah, look two of them now wake up. Fish given away last night and they're sleeping. What did I say? Eh? They're laughing. Right now the cooler full of fish. Them fellas had a clean fish before we hike up. Them now sad the fish.
Hope you know you catch what you thought.
Okay, cleaning. So we come to clean the fish now. Cleaning. So it'll be easier to carry up.
Best skill, eh?
Yeah, skilla.
Best skill for your body.
Ow.
Hello. Hello, we'll close up all the video one time.
Yeah.
Watch.
We are the rock and fishing boys and we are born to fish.
Yeah, so we are the 3 rock and fishing boys here today. And all the trip was?
It was good. We caught a good few fish. Zilon.
Zilon,
Chilipi.
Randikai and Chilipi.
Me thought Mark on the fish side.